Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Patan. In this video, to show you how to make game in Buildbox. The name of it is Flop. Flap. Okay, name is Flap. Okay, so this game is inspired by isometric platformer. Okay, if you see this one, okay, let's try. I open this project, and this is I make a game Flap inspired of this project. So this project is like this. Okay, it does not look. There you go. So the project like this. Okay, now I make my own. So let's try make a new project. Okay, so go to home page. Now click the create new, then click create 3D game. Okay, so because I opened the other project, so I just know because it's only example. Okay, just creating the project and done. Okay, now this is usually main project. Okay, now try click the 3D word, double click to open it, and there we go. This is now a 3D word. Okay, the first let's try delete this cube by clicking delete, then clicking yes. Okay, now let's go to asset library. Let's try pick something. Okay, the first you need the cube. Oh my god, why I read so. Okay, cube, because it's a smart asset. Now drag it. Oh wait, undo all. Okay, wait, no. Okay, okay, so I just recreate new 3D word because this is don't delete it. It's like a Pojizan stamps. Okay, so this is only stamps, so this don't delete them. Okay, so I really okay. So go asset library, then pick a cube. I know. Go to smart asset, then pick a point. This one. Double click this point, and scroll down and go to here. Is a flap. Double click the flap to insert. And now let's try click something again. The make an enemy. Okay, the make an enemy. Okay, go to shapes, then pick a pyramid. Okay, pyramid has been inserted, and go to the asset. Okay, I think don't have. Okay, done. Okay, now close the asset library. Now, oh, we forget something. Okay, open again, go to shapes, then pick a sphere. Okay, a sphere. Now close the asset library. Now this sphere drag to the character, and don't forget to go to this one sphere and set this collision group on this sphere is character. Okay, the physics is kinematic. Okay, dynamic and 3D model. Okay, let's try pick color that is per yellow like that. Okay, and let's try make this one. Okay, the first let's try make a patch. Let's try duplicate this one, duplicate this. Oh my god, window close. Okay, and this try duplicate the start scene, and this is go to left selection on the second scene, rendering it to the one. Okay, now let's try make a patch first. Okay, the first let's try turn this one, this cube, this one the rotation is 45. Okay, yeah, 45, and then use a multi-tool to make it smaller. Okay, before you do it, okay, try undo. Okay, bro. Okay, now we'll try to smaller them and go to here. Okay, now it's smaller, and now that now let's make it long like this. Okay, it's turbo cube. Wait, hold on. I think this is not. Okay, so I just delete and duplicate again from first scene. Okay, I'll try this one. Make it smaller. Okay, let's use this one. Just make it okay. So now use a scale tool. So this like this one. Let's make it smaller. Okay, and let's use this. Now turn it. The rotation is axis 45. Okay, there we go. And it's down like this. And now duplicate again. Now the rotation, set the x to 0. Okay, then let's make like this one. Okay, and okay, let's try this down again. Yeah, this one, and perfect. Oh no, that's not okay. Now there we go. Okay, now this one, this end scene, let's try move into this line. Okay, this line. Okay, now after that, now drag the point into the here. Okay, wait. Let's try this one. Okay, then move into the here. Okay, so don't forget. Okay, now go to this one, left selection, click it, and I try rename it to 1. Okay, now let's look, and now let's continue again. Now this move this point, and now this end go to this line. Okay, and there we go. It's now been created. And this, don't forget this cube. Now set it this basic to this static, so this does not move it. And after that, set this all. Okay, now go to 3D models, then set the colors. Now go to this like greens. Okay, so this like this one. Okay, and there you go. It's like this color. Okay, so let's try this one. It starts. And this cube, try this stand. So let's try put the character spear over here. Okay, I'll try this smaller them. Okay, now this is like this only stands. Now this delete these shapes. Okay, so the times is delete. Okay, now try to make this one sphere and the size like this. Okay, there we go. Now let's try go to this one again. And I'll try this position this camera. Okay, the first let's try go to camera. Okay, go to preview of camera. Let's try like this one, and let's do this. Okay, wait, hold on seconds. Okay, so just the positions. Okay, so this is one. The rotation, the position is this one. The x is 10.08 and the y is 6. Then the z is 5.635. Okay, now let's try continue again. And you can see if I preview, it's like this one. And don't forget also this camera, the position follows set to the set the spear. Okay, now let's try again. There we go. Okay, the rotation follow is also spear. We'll try. Okay, and after that, now try go to the 1. Okay, now try duplicate this scent. Now after duplicate, you try this one. Now this make it smaller like this. Okay, let's make it like this one. As you can see, this is on the downside is pyramid. Okay, so the pyramid is set the color to the red. This one. Okay, the red is for this one. Try this. Okay, there we go. This is has been set in red, and put the bottom of the here. Okay, now copy paste it with command C or Ctrl V, and paste with command V or or control V. Okay, and there we go, has been put it. Okay, now try duplicate this cube, then duplicate and move into here, then set the rotation is minus 45. Yeah, okay, minus 45, and like this one. And let's try this, try test on the here. Okay, now try put this point on the here and go to the level selections. Now rename it, that is 2. Okay, there we go, this rename it. Okay, then also don't forget this L is make it far away again before it explodes. Okay, now after that let's try duplicate this scene. Now move into the here. Now that this one's in, rename it is 3. Okay, so let's try program it first. Now let's try go to sphere, double click it to edit the program. Okay, so the first, go to movement, drag the move. Now after you drag the move, they'll try like this one. Okay, now try set the Z to the 10. Okay, go or 20. Oh, no. Okay, so this is not a sphere. So let's try delete this sphere. Okay, delete. And I forget always. Okay, now drag the flap into the character. So this flap set the collision group to the character. Oh my god, why have not set everything? Okay, now try put the flap on the scene start and put on this one. And double click on the flap. Now you need to try this one, touch and jump, and this is jump limit is set to the 1. Okay, and let's try edit this flap object. Okay, now go to the action, drag the if collide. Okay, you also this the jump set limit to 1. Okay, now the if collide. Now if set the affected asset to the cube and connect the 3A to the enable if collide, and collide connect to the reset jump. This is reset the jump limit. Okay, now let's try. Yeah, okay, we forget. So this camera. Okay, now go to camera. Now set the position follow to the flap and also rotation follow to the flap. Okay, let's try again. Okay, I think none. Okay, try rotation follow is none. Okay, so this rotation follow is none. Okay, try see again. Okay, the quality is so higher. Okay, now go to mind map. Now this 3 word is this one, the Y. Let's try graffiti to the minus 20 on the Y. Okay, let's try again. Okay, I think this not. Try this minus 50. Okay. Okay, there we go. Okay, now we forgot again. Go to 3D world and the pyramid. Now to this one. Then go to start. Then set the physics to the static, so it does not move like anchor. Okay, now let's go to the flap again. Now drag the if collide. Oh, it's have been added, so we make a game over. Okay, the if collide defeat. So let's try this one. Everything except and the okay, so let's go to pyramid, and this is not a static. Oh yeah, static, and then try the collision group to the enemy. And let's try this one, this flap. Okay, now use this point. Let's try this point. The collision group is point. Okay, so this is I forget something on the previous tutorial. Seriously. Okay, now after this one has been added. Okay, coined. And there we go. When you not jump like that. So let's try with jump. If you want to jump, click the screen. Okay. Okay, try edit this one. Go to 3D World and just go to scene 1. And let's try this point is make it higher. I go to scene 2 and this same go to higher. Okay, there we go. And the scene 3, I'll try and make this one. And this is have like many pyramid on bottoms. Okay, so let's try this one. Okay, I'll try to duplicate this one. So this is take per minute, so I just post this video first. And there we go, let's make like this one. Okay, now let's try. Okay, so this end move it far away so it does not load. Okay, so let's try to put the end over here and let's test again. Okay, so let's try go this one. I think this I tried this one. Okay, so this is like this. I'll put like this one. Okay, let's try again. And there you go. Okay, so this go to scene 1. I think this make this higher. This one is higher, and the scene 2 is same is higher. Okay, now let's try go to the ground, and let's try the ground type is no texture, and set it the color into the black. Okay, so the red code, the red. Okay, so I just use the RGB sliders. Okay, so the red is 20, the green in. Okay, the green is 20, and the blue is 20. Okay, there we go. Let's make like this one. You can see the color has been set. Okay, I will try test the game again. Okay, I think it's too dark. Let's try this. Make it. Yeah. Okay, let's try it. Okay, and there we go. And let's try use the no texture and let's try again. Okay, so the zoom of camera, let's try this one. It's not too near. Okay, let's try set the camera first. Okay, I think it's done. Let's try this one. You can see this game, it's good. Okay, I'll try stop. Now let's go to the mind map that usually. Now drag the UI screen. Now this one rename the UI screen that is in-game UI. Okay, now double click and usually then drag the default font. And the foundation, let's try go to the score. And the amount set to the current, and this is like this. Okay, and there we go, and let's try to test the game. Okay, so don't forget connect it UI to the load UI, this one on the mind map. Okay, so let's do it. Let's start test again. There we go. Okay, so this game UI I put here. Okay, so let's try edit some ad in the previous tutorial in Canva. Okay, so I just post the video first. And always don't forget to save your game by Command S or Control S. This is how the cat will crash like that. Okay, so the name game is Flap. Okay, the Flap. Okay, because I have first. Okay, try and saving a project. Okay, there we go. Okay, now let's try open the Canva again. Okay, we are on Canva. Okay, let's try open that. Okay, what is it? Okay, let's try open, click this link. Okay, now try make this one. First, let's try create a design and click the custom dimensions and click this one. The width is 284 and the height is 466 px. Click it. Okay, then there we go, has been loaded. Okay, the first, let's try go to this photos and let's try do this first. Let's try load this one. Okay, let's try load this one. Okay, no. Okay, this mountain I think, and put over here, and let's set image as background and go to the text, drag the text where you like. Okay, so I use this one, hostel store. Okay, let's try this one, and now this rename it. That name is flat. Okay, now try colors that is can't see. Okay, let's try this one. Okay, flap, then put over here, and now let's try add patch to make game over. Okay, this is its main menu, and not this one. Let's try duplicate page, and this is name is, let's try rename this one is game over. Okay, you can change again your phone when you like, so I just use this. Okay, game over. Now drag again with one you like. Okay, oh my god, why is lag? Okay, so the first is high score. Okay, so first is high score. If the text is too big, let's try is what's not load. Let's try edit them. Okay, try this is 20. Okay, just like this one. Okay, so put high score on here, and we duplicate again. The name is last score. Okay, last score. Here, last score, and we make the minus on this one. Okay, and now change color where you like. So just make like this one. Okay, and there we go. And let's try this one and download this all page by clicking download, and the all pages too, and file type is png. Okay, now click download. Okay, after you download, you see this, because it's multi-page, you can see it's zip. Okay, if you want to extract, just if you use a Mac, just click that file zip. If you use a window, that right click, then you can extract here or extract files. Okay, let's try extract this one, and there we go. Let's try. Okay, so we show the windows, and there we go, has been extracts like this one. Okay, there we go. This is all page from at recently I did this one. I edit. Okay, so let's try open your previous tutorial. This screenshot will be put on this build box. Okay, so let's try drag the files all into the build box. Okay, let's try this first. Now this two will be dragged on build box. Okay, let's try open the build box first. Okay, put this on. Okay, there we go. Okay, now let's try drag first. Okay, now click this one, and first go to mind map, then drag the UI screen. Now this rename it main menu. Okay, double click to edit, then drag the main menu page and drag to this one image. Okay, now fit it to this mobile screen. And there you go. Now try drag the play button to the notification button, and if you're on the back, you try bring to front like this. There you go. And drag it the shutdown button to the notification button like this one. Okay, so wait, hold on. Okay, there we go. Let's try a Buildbox, and let's try put this one, the quit button on the here. So this foundation on this one, just rename it as exit, and the foundation set to the exit. And this play button, this rename it, name is play. Okay, well, why get play, and the foundation is keep default. Okay, now go to the mind map, then okay, now disconnect this one. Now put on the here, connect load to the load UI disk, and play connect to the load 3D world. Okay, now let's try test again. Okay, there we go. Okay, so we not make it even. Okay, so let's try in game UI. So we edit, drag the even observer in, put on, not on this mobile screen. Okay, so even observer, rename it game over. Okay, game over, and this go to my map is appear again. So let's last one, I think, drag the UI screen on the here and rename it is game over. Okay, now double click to edit. Now drag the game over here. Now drag it into the image. Okay, now fit into this one, the mobile screen, and drag it the default phone into here and bring to front, and the foundation set it to the score, and the score type is minus. Okay, amount, let's try set to the best because on the high score, and duplicate it, put on the here, and this is keep same. Now only just this amount set to the current. Okay, now let's go try pick the button again. Let's try play buttons, drag to the navigation button, and put on this one. This is replay button. Okay, and now go to file again. Now drag this one arrow left, go to navigation button. I don't know how to speech. Okay, now put this one on the here. Okay, on the here. Okay, so let's try rename all. Okay, so this play button, rename it play. Okay, replay, and the foundation default, and this back button, rename it back. Okay, wait. I forget to pause the video. Okay, so let's continue again. Foundation's default, and let's go to mind map again. Now this one, now connect this from the game over into the load, this UI game over, and this replay connect it to the load 3D world, and the back connect it to the load main menu UI. Okay, so let's test the game. Okay, let's try game over, play again. And there we go. Okay, so let's start this one. Okay, so the tutorial has been ended. Okay, wait, screenshot. The tutorial has been ended. Okay, so let's try explaining how to play this game. Okay, the first let's try play first. Okay, so how to play this game. After you launch the game, now press the play button to play it, and if you want to jump, press on this screen. If you touch this point, the score will increase 1, like this one. Then if you touch the enemy like this one, you will game over like this, and it just shows your high score and last score. Okay, So the tutorial has been end, and don't forget to save your game by save your game Command S or Control S on your keyboard. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Sorry what I like many word of speech. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.